Leek is an onion that chose diplomacy over aggression. Where garlic attacks and onion demands attention, leek negotiates. It brings depth without sharpness, aroma without burn, and structure without dominance. This balance is why leeks appear everywhere, yet rarely get credit. Botanically, leek is Allium, a member of the Allium family that includes garlic, onions, shallots, chives, and carrot. Unlike bulb onions, leeks do not form a tight underground bulb. Instead, they grow a long cylindrical stalk made of layered leaf sheaths. That structure defines leek's personality. The white and pale green portion is tender, slightly sweet, and aromatic. The darker green leaves are tougher, fibrous, and often used for stocks rather than direct eating. Leeks have been cultivated for thousands of years. Ancient Egyptians grew them, Romans prized them, Emperor Nero famously consumed leeks regularly, believing they improved his voice. Whether that worked or not, the cultural value was real. Leek spread across Europe because it solved a problem. It grew in cool climates. It survived frost. It stored well in the ground. When other vegetables failed, leek endured. Flavor-wise, leek is mild and rounded. Raw, it has a gentle onion aroma without harshness. Cooked, it transforms completely. Heat breaks down its sulfur compounds into sweetness. This transformation is key. Leek rewards slow cooking. Sautéed gently, it becomes soft and almost creamy. Braised, it turns silky. Roasted, it develops subtle caramel notes. Texture is as important as flavor. Properly cooked leeks melt without disappearing. They hold form while becoming tender. This makes them ideal for soups, tarts, gratins, stews, and sauces. Classic dishes rely on leek's restraint. Potato leek soup works because neither ingredient dominates. Leek and butter sauces succeed because leek builds background flavor instead of foreground noise. In French cuisine, leek is foundational. In British and Welsh cooking, it is symbolic. Wales even adopted the leek as a national emblem, representing resilience and sustenance. Culinarily, leek is a connector ingredient. It links fats to liquids, vegetables to proteins, mild elements to rich ones. It creates cohesion. Nutritionally, leeks are understated but meaningful. They provide vitamin K for blood health, vitamin A for vision, vitamin C for immune support, and folate for cellular function. They also supply fiber and potassium. Like other alliums, leeks contain sulfur compounds linked to cardiovascular support and anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds soften with cooking, improving digestibility while retaining benefit. Leeks are low in calories but high in satiety when cooked with care. They add volume and richness without heaviness. Agriculturally, leeks are patient crops. They grow slowly, often taking months to mature. Farmers blanch them by mounding soil around the stalk, keeping the edible portion pale and tender. This labor-intensive process is why high-quality leeks cost more than onions. The difference shows in the kitchen. Visually, leeks are elegant. Long vertical lines, gradient color from white to deep green, clean geometry. They look deliberate. This makes them visually appealing in both rustic and modern presentations. The biggest mistake with leeks is improper cleaning. Soil hides between layers. If not washed correctly, grit ruins everything. Respect starts with preparation. Another mistake is rushing heat. Leeks demand time. High heat scorches them. Gentle heat unlocks them. Leeks are not flashy. They do not spike flavor. They do not carry dishes alone. They support. They connect. They stabilize. Leek is not the star of the plate. It is the reason the plate works.